Day one with my wife going back to work has been all right so far. It took me about an hour to get both kids ready. Feed them, change the diapers, and put some clothes on them.
Change your clothes right now. Change your clothes.
It is day 3 of snowstorm 2010. Over 90 centimeters of snow has fallen in our city, and I'm enjoying it every second of it as I shovel the snow. I wish I had a snowblower. That's my Christmas wish, Santa. If you could bring me a snowblower, my kids would be really happy.
Who has more snow than London?
Nobody!
I like to meet that person who wrote "Let It Snow, Let It Snow, Let It Snow." It was a nice song. Have you ever tried shoveling in the city of London? That's it. Michaela, time to shovel the snow. You need to get out there and help Daddy. Do they fit? Okay. Go shovel, please. Can you walk in them? You need any help?
I did. I'm going to snow.
You gonna shovel?
Yeah.
Then you're going to work?
Yeah.
You gonna bring back some money? Shovel that snow.
Hey, what happened this week? Did Mama fall down? Where did she fall down?
Stairs.
And what happened?
Down too.
Did Robert fall down?
Yeah.
And why did Robert fall down? Did someone leave the door open?
Yeah, Kayla.
Who left the door open?
Kayla.
Yeah, she left the door open.
I'm taking my wife to the hospital to check her ankle because she fell down some stairs trying to be Wonder Woman and grab my son who fell before. Well, what are you predicting?
I'm predicting that I can just walk out of here. They're just gonna give me some magic pill. It's gonna make it go away.
And what's the verdict?
He's gonna give me the magic pill and I'm gonna go away.
Yeah. No.
In my dreams.
What happened?
I broke a bone in my foot and a small fracture in my ankle.
Fifth metatarsal. Tarsal.
Whatever. And
I wish I was in her place. I deserve to be. So I blame my daughter and my son for this. So here comes the cast.
My son's favorite song is from Salt and Pepper. You know that song?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, with all the snow coming down. I gotta get the shovel and shovel the snow, and I really like it a lot. We love snow. In fact, I love it so much, I wish it would snow every day so I can shovel every day.